So good evening again, everyone. After all the changes na I have discussed kanina is we'll start from the basic of algebra. Not really super basic now, what is x plus x or what is x plus 3x, but that will be incorporated in how we solve the problems here. Because as I've discussed for the past 2 days, I always have two steps in solving algebra problems. First is the let x and second is the story time. So for the story time, dito ko na incorporate lahat ng basics of algebra like what is x plus x, what is x minus negative x, everything about arithmetic and algebra, and solving algebra, doon na siya. Okay? And then for the first part is planning approach for the different types of algebra word problems. Now for this one, if this is your first time, okay, I would like to clarify, algebra is not infinite. Hindi super, hindi super daming pwedeng maging problems ng algebra. Okay na hindi mo siya kayang aralin because obviously there are just 7 problems. Close natin siya dito. So if we will close it into this, so number problems, consecutive integers, digit, age, work, problem, and age, work, uniform motion, and mixture problems. There are 7 different approach. Okay? Kasi algebra yeah, is common sense. Pero if you don't know the approach for this one, matatagalan kayong mag-derive from common sense. But again, since you're nasa hulag po, so we will discuss each and every of them. Then the rest of the algebra is just, when we say miscellaneous algebra, yun yung kaya ng common sense. Like, if 3 times of a number is equal to 1/2 of this angle, common sense na lang siya. Okay, but the rest is not purely common sense, but you need to learn the approach for each of these types of problems. Number, consecutive integers, digit, age, work, uniform motion, and mixture problem. So as much as possible, we'll try to discuss all of them. Okay, so let's start. After seeing your answers, puro ligwak ka. Okay, so let's start. Let's begin with the first one, number problem. So for the number problems, isa siya sa mga pinakang usual. Okay? Kasi siya nga yung pinakang basic. And everything else depends on this one. Yes, hindi ko siya tinuro before. Like, hindi ko siya tinuro earlier this week. Kasi I didn't know na kailangan nyo pa siya. Like, we've been through UPCAT and ESET. So I was hoping na kahit pa paano, you've been done with the basics. But apparently, hindi pa. So don't worry, tulungan natin siya dito. Kaya nga tayo magre-review early sa DOST is para maging realistic yung pagbasa natin sa DOST. Like other people na after this week, hindi na ulit magre-review, February na ulit, edi talo na natin sa karamihan sa kanila. Okay? Up here, raise hands batch 3, batch 1, 2, and 3, AUDD. Raise hands, raise hands. Ayan, matatalo na natin yung mga February pa magre-review. At least may lamang na tayo sa kanila. Okay, so let's start with number problems. As you've requested, I'm gonna start with the basic of the basics. Okay, so when basic of the basics is it's single variable word problem. Okay, so let's clarify muna the approaches here. Since you want basics of the basics, okay, when you say single variable, it just uses x. Okay, lahat ng dinascuss ko so far, it just uses x. Okay, whenever I'm describing multiple elements in a problem, I just use x, single variable lang. Isa lang yung x ko. Okay? But when I say two variable, siya na yung x and y. Okay? For example, the sum of two numbers and their difference is, mas madali ito ng two variables. Yes. But again, that's kind of shortcut. For this lesson, starting from this one, I'm gonna use single variable lang. Kasi not all of the algebra word problems are answerable by two variables. It's just mainly number problems and age problems na kaya ng ganito. Pero most of them is single variable siya best. So I'm just gonna focus on single variables for this one. So if magaling ka na, pair with us. Pero if hindi pa, start tayo sa pinakang basics. So let's start. Again, I'm gonna use single variables. Okay? So first, if magaling ka na, bear with us, pero you can solve via two variables. Tapos, if hindi ka pa magaling, warning na, huwag kang maghanap ng shortcut. Okay? I do not advise and will never advise shortcuts para sa mga hindi pa magagaling. Hindi na tayo mag-sugarcoat. Kasi hindi ka magagamit yung shortcut unless saktong-sakto yung case dun sa isa-solve ninyo eh. The rest, babagsak na kayo. Okay, so first is learn the long solvings. Ayoko ng tamad. Okay, ayoko ng puro shortcut. We have 2 to 3 months. Most of you is bagsak ng DOST math. So, unless you scored sa math, maybe, ilan ba yung math? 80? I think unless you scored 60 plus, hindi ka magaling sa math. Okay? Huwag kang magmarunong, huwag kang mag-shortcut. Learn it from the long methods. If you scored 60 plus, okay, you're already good. Kailangan mo lang ma-develop pa. Pero if 60 pa baba, no. Huwag kayong magmagaling, huwag kayong mag-shortcut. Ayaw ka na mag-sugarcoat. Okay? So, the sum of two numbers is 29, the difference is 5. Find the numbers. So, number problem, yung una ko hindi discuss, and yun yung diniscuss sa book why. Kasi it's not about solving the problem mismo. It's about how to approach the problems. Okay, dito natin matutunan what is let x and what is story time. Let's master those two. And then after that, para pag mas naging complex na yung problems, is hindi na tayo maliligaw. Hindi na tayo magiging x plus 5 plus 5 sa nanggaling x plus 10. Okay, master the fundamentals. So, let's start with this one. So, the sum of two numbers is 29 and their difference is 5. Yes, madali siya sa two variables. But again, we're going to start with single variables because the goal is to learn how to approach, not to solve quickly or to shortcut. So when we say the sum of two numbers is 29, first is let x. Okay, in single variable word problems, we just use one of the numbers, one of the givens as x. So let's just use the first number as x. Okay, and what's the second number? Again, dito tayo pupunta sa ating drawing method. Okay? For example, if this is the entire one, if this is 29, okay, and this is 11, ano tong second number natin? Raise, mabilisan lang. If the other part is 11, what's the next part? Go. 18. Diba? This is 18. Okay? So yeah, let's have another one. If this is 29, and I say this is just 3, what's the next one? But that is 26. So whatever we do is 29 minus 3 is equal to 26. 29 minus 11 is equal to 18. So ganun din if sa x tayo. Okay? So 29, if this is x, 29 minus x is equal to this part. Okay? Algebra, it's just representation of our common sense. Okay? So this is called golden rule number 1 ng Hulagpos, small examples. If and ever if nakalimutan mo kung anong formula or kung anong nangyayari, just start with small examples na you can control. Okay, you forgot what's the connection of x. Edi maglagay ka dyan, no? 29 minus 11 is equal to 18. So just change this. What if this is x? Edi 29 minus x. That's the most basic idea here. Okay, and even sa most complex word problem, yung tinuro ko last week, sa mga halos walang makatama, diba? Drawing method lang yung key to do it. Kaya again, hindi porkat madali is, ayoko na sir, bilisan na natin. Kasi dito nga nadadali yung iba. They can't even master the basic principle. So pagdating ng hard problems, bagsak na sila. Okay, hindi tayo gagaya doon kasi nasa Olagpos tayo. So, ayan na siya. So, the first number is x, the second number is 29 minus x. This is easy as that. May representation na, okay na yan. Punta tayo sa number 2. Number 2 natin na step is story time. Okay? So, sa story time, i-divide natin yung problem. Okay? Lagi tayong may ginagamit na let x and lagi tayong may ginagamit for story time. So, if we use the first part as the let x, the sum of two numbers, 29, yung pangalawa, gagamitin natin na story time. Okay? So, nagagamitin natin sa story time. For the story time, it says na the difference is 5. Okay? So, first minus second or second minus first. Ano sa tingin niyo? Can you vote? Anong tamang story time? First minus second or second minus first? Vote, vote, vote. What's the correct story time here? First number minus second number or second minus first? Ano sa tingin niyo? So we have second minus first, first minus second option, first po and then second, first minus second. Okay, so para fair, sagutin natin parehas. Okay, if we use first minus second, okay, story time is just listing the story and then substituting their equivalent algebraic values. So first minus second, that means x. Bakit colored ko pa rin? So first is x, di ba? And then minus second, 29 minus x. Use the parentheses properly. Okay? Kasi i-distribute mo yung negative dyan. So first minus second, difference is 5. Is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. So first minus second is equal to 5. Okay? So let's do it. X minus 29 minus x. Distribute yung negative, distribute the negative. So this will be x minus 29 plus x is equal to 5. Okay, x plus x is 2x. Negative 29, ilipat mo sa kabila, that is positive 29. Okay, so we have 2x is equal to 34, x is equal to 17. Wow! Pause muna tayo, x is equal to 17. What is the second problem natin? Second minus first is equal to 5. So we have 29 minus x minus x. Okay, this is the second, this is the first value. From this, right, is equal to 5. Okay, so negative x minus x is negative 2x. 29, ilipat mo sa kabila. Okay? That is negative 29. Okay? Gets ba? So, meron na tayong matitira dito na. Delete ko muna to. Ayan. So, meron tayong matitira na. 2x is equal, negative 2x is equal to negative 29 plus 5. So, negative 2x is equal to negative 24. And x is equal to 12. Ala, sir, magkaiba ng sagot. E di mali na. Okay? Hold your breath. Okay? So, first of all, let's try to substitute. For this one, for case 1, this is what we call case 1. If x is equal to 17, what's the other number? This is 17. This is 29 minus 17, 12. Diba? Wow, magic. Now, for the case number 2, if this is x, this is 12, diba? What is 29 minus 12? 17. Wow, magic. So, as you can see, we got different values of x, but if we get the entire pair, we will arrive at the same set of values. 17 plus 12 is equal to 29. 17 minus 12 is equal to 5. 12 plus 17 is equal to 29. 17 minus 12 is equal to 5, or 12 minus 17 is equal to 5. Press lang yan. Okay? So that's algebra. Okay, even if we switch, as long as wala namang pinagbabawal na ginawa, sinabi lang their difference is 5. May in-specify ba kung anong mas malaki or anong mas maliit? Wala. Sinabi lang there's two numbers, their difference is 5. So, yun yung golden rule number 2 naman. Yung nalagpas. Okay, golden rule number 2. For cuties, Upkat, what is golden rule number 2? Yun nga, what is golden rule number 2? Sa mga nandito pa. Ayan, tama si Michaela. Math is math. Okay, even if we switch things up, as long as you're doing proper math, okay, tama kayo. Huwag kayong mag-overthink. Yun yung sa mga problema ng mga nag-algebra, nag-overthink na first minus second or second minus first. As in the end, magtatagal lang. Eh, kahit naman anong isolve mo dyan, as long as wala namang sinabi na the difference between the larger and the smaller is this, sinabi lang, the difference is 5. Okay? So that is algebra. That's how we use let x, story time, and golden rules number 1 and 2. Now, any questions? Dr. Sinlin, I already said repeatedly kanina, I will not use two variables. Like, aren't you listening? I already clarified, right? If you want basics of the basics, I will not teach two variables in here because that's a bit of a shortcut. Are you listening earlier? Okay, so I will not and never teach two variables in this class kasi you requested basics. So why will I teach a shortcut if you want basics? Okay? Is that clear for everyone? This is fundamentals class. Two variables is after linear equations, after single variable linear equations. Okay, so again, if magaling ka na, go ahead. Okay na ako dyan. Pero para to sa mga hindi pa magaling, hindi pa ganun kagaling. Okay, bear with us. Is that clear? So, okay, para sa mga hindi pa ganun kagaling, questions with this approach. You need to learn the fundamentals, not the shortcuts. If you scored 60 and above, what's your score in the DOST Math Max, Dr. Sinlin? Can I just ask? What's your score in the DOST Math Max, Dr. Sinlin? I'm waiting. Hello? Hi. I forgot. All right. But again, clarification, if you can score 60 and above sa DOST Math Max, wag mo nang sayangan yung time mo dito. Okay? Kasi hindi nyo na need to eh. Let's be honest. Okay? Just watch or practice the problems. Go. Pero if hindi pa kayo umabot sa ganong level, you need to at least learn the fundamentals for me. Okay? So yeah, single variables muna. I will not teach two variables. Let's save that for another session if master nyo na yung linear single variables. Okay? So yeah, so Beatles, please take a picture and then send sa GCs. And wala ng questions? This is the first problem, but the summary. Let X, story time, golden rule number 1, golden rule number 2. No shortcuts. We will not teach shortcuts. We will be understanding fundamentals today. Okay? So just giving hearts react. Okay na for the first problem. Alright. So repeat no shortcuts. Pure fundamentals tayo dito. So let's go to number 2. Number problem. Yan. So for number 2, we have this example. Again, what we need to learn is how to approach, how to represent, then the basic rules. Like for this one, this is a very easy example. Now, we can prove na even if pagbalik rin natin yung representation, makuha natin yung tamang sagot. Okay, so i-stock nyo na siya sa golden rule number 1 ninyo na even if, golden rule number 2 ninyo, even if we switch this one, even for more complex problems, especially sa calculus, nagturo tayo kapag calculus, di ba? Even if you use product rule or chain rule or simplify it muna bago mag-rule, same lang siya na magiging sagot. You've already proven that in the easier problems. So for this one, sige nga, okay, basics. So I'm gonna give 30 seconds. Try to answer this one using what we've taught earlier. So 30 seconds. Try this one. Single variables. If hindi pa kayo ganun kagaling, go. Okay, time's up. So it's fine if hindi siya natapos. At least nasimulan ninyo yung process. Okay, so again, okay lang kahit hindi pa siya natapos as long as nasimulan ninyo yung thought process. So the sum of two numbers is 30. The second number is 2 more than twice the first number. Find the numbers. So again, there are always two. Pwede mong gamitin yung isa as let x, yung isa as story time. So pwede mo silang pagpalitan. Pero as the usual practice, gamitin natin na let x is yung first one. So let's try that one. So the sum of two numbers is 30. The second number is 2 more than blah, 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 blah. So katulad nung sinabi ko previously, hindi ko na ang gagamitin yan. Kunyari wala ba tayong naturo. So for this type of problem, sa nagbumukha siyang tongue twister, okay, in algebra, you just have to break it down part by part. Okay, if you break it down, di na siya nakakalito. Huwag mong piliting isulat lahat, isang basahan, tapos mare-represent mo na. Kasi kahit ako, hindi ko yung kaya yun eh. I mean, di naman ako ganun, I mean, medyo magaling na ako, pero hindi ko siya kaya. Ng isang basahan, masusulat ko na lahat. No, break it down. Okay? The sum of two numbers is 30. So we have the first number as x. Let x. Yun na yun. Pinakamadaling step. Let x. The first number is x. For the second number, again, it's just 30 minus x. Because if you have a 30 na isang buo, if x to, yung natitira is 30 minus x, whatever that value is. Or again, just use the drawing method. If this is x, this is 30, this is 30 minus x. Okay, imagine our draw. So for the second one, we have story time. Okay, so sa story time, pwede mo siyang idiretso na. Pero if hindi mo siya kayang idiretso na, pwede mong isulat yung symbols lang muna. Pwede mo ba yung symbols? So, the second number is 2 more than thrice the first. So, ayun, nakakalito. Lagay mo lang. The second number is, so when we say is, so yung signify natin for equal sign. Okay, the second number is, so the second number is equal to what? The second number is 2 more than thrice the first. Okay, so that means 2 more than thrice the first. So, isa-isahin mo lang. 2 more than thrice the first. Okay? Yun ang tip ko. Para sa mga nahihirapan sa algebra, wag nyo kasing, ang mali kasi sa inyo is, inisip nyo, madali lang dapat to. Hindi na ako dapat nagtatagal dito. Nararat-rat nyo. Tapos pagdating ng dulo, mali. Huwag niyong sayangin yung bonus points. Okay? Honestly, ang bonus lang sa DOST format is algebra word problems and equation of the line. Iba is level 2 to 3 problems, but puro level 1s lang tong ganito. So if pilitin niyo na, mabilis lang dapat to, brrr, tapos mali. Sayang points. Okay, remember, most likely makakalahati yung DOST passers for this year because of all those budget cuts. Nangyari na sa GLSS and grad school. So more likely sa inyo din. So don't waste any point. Okay? Malay nyo, algebra na lang matataman yung sure, di ba? Huwag nyo nang pilitin na madali yan. Just break it down. If hindi ka ganun kagaling, hindi isa-isahin mo lang para matama mo siya. Okay? Kasi mas okay yung mabagal pero assured kaysa mag-overthink, magtatagal din naman tapos malipas. Doon tayo sa medyo assured. Okay? The second number is 2 more than twice the first. So 2 more than twice the first. Tapos na. Ito na yung story time natin. Now, let's do the representation. The second number is 30 minus x is equal to 3 times the first. So, fortunately, x ang yung first natin plus 2. Then, algebra. If negative x to, lipat mo sa kabila, that will be positive x. 3x plus 4x. If positive to, lipat mo sa kabila, that will be 30 minus 2. Okay, so 30 minus 2 is 28. 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x, and x is equal to, wow, 28 minus 7, ay, 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. Diba? Easy lang siya. So, algebra is just easy if you can understand it. Marami nang nagkakamali kasi pinipilit nila. Isang basahan, masasolve na lahat. Hindi naman tayo lahat ganun katalino. Kahit ako, hindi ako ganun kagaling. Isang basahan, solve ko na. No. I need to imagine it and solve it. Okay? So, if you have x equal to 4, okay, what's the other number? We have this. Diba? We have, anong representation natin? Ang representations natin, the first is equal to x. The second is equal to 30 minus x. Okay? So, now we have, the first one is just 4. Second one is 30 minus 4 or 26. So, bash. Bash. What's the bashable here? Alright, yung nakikinig. Okay. Diba? Ayan. Okay? I want you guys to notice mistakes like that. Kasi I said 3x plus x is equal to 4x. Tapos sinulat ko siya separately. So, sino yung pumansin? Very good. Ayan. Okay. Very good. Kasi in the problem kanina, besides kay Dr. Cindy, wala nang ibang nagsalita. So, I was just testing if nakikinig pa ba kayo. Ayan. Very good. So, okay. That is the error part. I like that. Kasi makikinig and magsasalita kayo. Okay? If ever there seems to be something questionable, huwag kayong mahiya. Okay? Because I'm just a human. I also make mistakes. Diba? 3x plus x, 4x. Nilagay ko siya separately. Diba? Sabog. So again, I like that. Please interact with me as we learn this one kasi actually ang golden rule ko is it's really good to make mistakes sa review kasi matututo ka. Kaysa sa exam ka na mismo magkamali. Diba? So with that, sabay-sabay natin siyang itama. We have 3x tapos x. Tug, tug, tug. Ayan, active na ulit kayo. Very nice. Kailangan lang pala magkamali ako para magsalita na ulit kayo. So 3x plus x is 4x. So alisin ko na to. This should be just 4x. Then 30 minus 2 is 28. And then 4x. And then x is just 7. Ayan, pare-pares na tayo. You see. Ayan. Very good. Nagising na kayo. See, basic problems, basic possible errors. You need to watch out for that. So yeah, we have 7 in here. And then what's the other one? So if x is equal to 7, see, yun din yung point. Okay, if you get an answer, most likely kasi gagawin yung DSC. Katulad ng tests namin na pag may pwede kayong maging maling sagot, nilalagay ko siya sa choices. Okay, always do common sense. Okay, in algebra, may 4 basic steps na kanina. Pero in algebra, remember na it's all about clues, rules, and common sense. Okay, yung answer kanina, that was, actually forgot. Wait lang, ano yung mali ko? 7x4. That was 4x and 26. Di ba parang 3 times 1 tapos plus 2, hindi siya aabot. So if hindi siya aabot, kahit mo siyang i-check ng full, just estimate. Common sensically, it doesn't make sense. Check mo na agad yung sagot mo. Okay? This is my second set of rules. Recap tayo ha. The first objective rules is let x, story time, golden rule number 1, golden rule number 2. The second, which is objective, clues, rules, and common sense. Always use common sense. Do not forget common sense. Kasi if wala to, hindi tayo makaka-survive. Okay? So now, we have x is equal to 7. Then, second number is 30 minus 7, so 23. So 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23. So tama na siya. Any questions? Okay, Swords Rock, wala ng question? Last 2 problems na tayo for number problem. So for the third one, So again, number problem is about numbers. Okay? Walang dinadescribe about the digits, walang dinadescribe about um may age ba, may work ba, wala. It's just pure numbers. Wala pa siyang story or context. It's just the numbers themselves. That is number problem. Okay? So that's the most basic one. So everything else is dependent on what and how we learn this type of problems. Okay? So the smaller of the two numbers is thrice the larger. The larger is 8 more than the smaller one. Find the numbers. So for this case, meron na siyang konting difference kasi kanina it's just the first and second number. Pero dito, may labels na siya. Okay? Meron ng smaller and larger. Okay? Again, if may label, mas masaya kayo. Di ba? Pero if walang label, so if may label, guys, use the labels properly. Don't forget to check the labels. Okay? So let's start this one. Quick check, sinong mga walang label dito? Raise hands nga. Sinong walang label? Aba, wala. Ayun, meron. May algebra. May labels tayo dapat lagi. Okay? So we have, number one natin is let x. Okay? So sa let x, we have the smaller of the two numbers is twice the larger. So we have smaller and larger. Okay? So now, the smaller of the two numbers is thrice the larger. The technique here, the usual technique is, kung ano yung nasa dulo, siya yung gawin mong x. Okay? Para whatever is binanggit mong umpisa, may base mo na siya kay x. So dito, tongue twister and such, pero the smaller of the two numbers is thrice the larger. Let x be the larger. Kung ano yung nasa dulo. That's just a usual technique. Pero sometimes it depends sa type of problem, pero mostly it's safe na to assume na kung ano yung nasa dulo, siya yung gawin mong x. Para if you read it again, the smaller is thrice the larger. So we'll just write, smaller is 3 times x. Diba? As easy as that. So that's the story time na tayo ngayon. Okay? Any questions? So dapat questionin nyo siya. Kasi like, sir, 3 times, tapos smaller, parang may mali. Diba? So possible yun. Like, it doesn't make any common sense here. Pero when you read it, tama naman eh. The smaller is thrice the larger. Because why? Because if it's positive, mali talaga siya. Pero what if it's negative? Diba? In the number line, if this is negative 3, this is negative 9, anong mas malaki? Negative 3 or negative 9? Baka hindi pa alam yun. What's bigger? Negative 3 or negative 9? What is technically larger? Negative 3 or negative 9? Negative 3. Okay? Magnitude-wise, mas malaki yung negative 9, pero that's in physics. In mathematics, kung anong nasa right side, siya yung larger. Okay? For example, 5 is greater than 2. 100 is greater than 3. So, ganun din dito. Kung ano yung nasa righter, siya yung greater than. Okay? So, 2 is greater than negative 6. Diba? And then, so with negative 6 is greater than negative 9. Ganun tayo. Kung nasa right side, siya yung larger natin. Kaya again, this is possible. So you have a clue na x should be or will be, can be negative. Pero now, follow lang natin siya. Then let's do story time. Number 2, story time. So unmute nga tayo guys. Sabay-sabay natin sabihin. Story time. Unmute tayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Story time.
Okay, para sa
Story
beginners, use
time.
that word. Okay, para hindi kayo ma-confuse. Again, for medyo practicado na, hindi na siya need. Pero for beginners, use that word. Okay, kasi it will remind you na, hey bro, teka lang, hinga lang. Make sure muna na tama yung equation mo in the first place. That's the significance of story time. Kaya, hey, story time! So, tayo dito. So, start time, the larger number is 8 more than the smaller one. Tongue twister, ang dami pinagsasabi. Isa-isayin mo lang. The larger number, so we have larger, is. Basta is, equal sign yan. Kasi, nire-relate na eh. Diba? Equation is about relating something. So, larger number is 8 more than the smaller one. So, is 8 more than the smaller one. Ang dali lang pala. Diba? Madali lang siya isulat if isa-isayin mo siya. Larger number is 8 more than smaller one. Tapos na. So let's represent the larger number is x, the smaller one is 3x, and then we have 8. So 3x, lipat mo sa kabila, that is negative 2x, and equals 8. So lipat mo, x is equal to negative 4. So now, confirmed, our x is actually a negative value, kaya our 3x is negative 12. So the smaller one is negative 12, while the larger one is negative 4. That's algebra. We're not talking about positive word lang here. We have negative, positive, fractions, radicals, everything is possible basta x siya. So you have to be careful. But again, just have to follow the same set of rules. Matatama niyo na siya lahat. Any questions? Yes, tama. Sabi ko kayo, pag DOS, sabi ko kayo, story time. Okay, kasi may advantage kayo eh. Di ba? Basta kapag-focus kayo. Tapos, distract niyo pa yung katabi niyo. Di ba? Minus point sa kanila, yung dagdag point sa inyo. Eh, sabi lang naman nung proctor, warning, warning, di mo kayo madidisqualify eh. Mga siguro 3 times. Pag nakadalawa na kayo, tama na. Okay. Ay, dalawa lang. Adi, at least nilamang kayo sa katabi ninyo. Okay? So, tactics. Mindset ba? Mindset. So, okay. So, any questions? Kaya if nagtitake kayo ng DOSC, tapos may sumigaw ng story time, ang galing ko lagpas to. So, magkampihan. So, yeah, that's fine. I mean, whatever makes you calm, okay, if magdi-DOST ka, yeah, we can follow the rules. That's normal naman. Pero, follow whatever is kung saan kayo comfortable. Huwag kayong mahihiya na gusto kong bumulong ng story time, nakakahiya. Wag. Wala na. Ano yung ihiya kung bagsak naman kayo sa DOST, di ba? Wag niyo nang tignan ko naman yung tingin ng iba sa inyo. Basta do your best. Kasi it's either bagsak or fail lang naman kayo sa DOST. Hindi naman matter yung tingin ng katabi niyo sa inyo. Okay? So, going back to the question, let's see, meron bang questions? I think, wala naman. Okay? So, hearts lang for anong question. Let's go to the fourth basic problem ng number problems. And tapos na tayo sa introduction. We're just gonna have some practice problems tapos next type of problem na tayo. So, hearts, if goods na. Sir, bakit 2x? Oh my God. Ay, bakit daw 2x, guys? Who wants to explain? This is 3x. So when we shift it here, that will be negative 3x. So negative 3x plus x is equal to negative 2x. Okay, please practice your basic arithmetic man lang. Okay, guys? Ayan, very good, Ray, G, John, and Hama. Okay, sige. Last questions. Lana, okay? So let's go. Next and last problem for the number problem. So, kumusta batch 3? Okay ba? Okay ba sa inyo ganitong facing na we're really tackling everything properly? Alright, okay naman, right? So, yeah. Dito ako nang tuturo ng cat. Okay, kasi meron kaming everyday class namin nun eh. So, kahit magturo ako ng 10 problems per night, tapos quiz bukas, may time kami eh. Pero yeah, for now, medyo kapos yung time natin. So, sulitin natin yung extra sessions na ma-mastery na siya. Okay? So, let's answer this one. Sige nga, 30 seconds. Try to process, represent, test, solve natin together. Okay, time's up. Again, it's fine if di nyo siya na-solve agad-agad. What's important is na process nyo siya, nakapag-let X kayo. Okay, yun yung mahalaga. So now, let's solve. The sum of two even numbers is 30. Hala, sir, ba't may even bigla dyan? Wala ka namang tinuro. Diba? Mura yun. Oh, bullshit ka, Sir Rolik. Biglang may kakaiba. Pero right now, no, huwag kayong ma-confuse. It's just, sabi ko nga, if you follow the same set of steps, walang makakalusot na algebra sa inyo. Okay? So now we have, the sum of two even numbers is 30. So we have the sum is 30. May sense ba? Even naman siya or add? Actually, we don't give a damn. Okay? Whatever the type of, kahit prime pa yan, kahit multiple of 5 pa yan, if ang sum is 30, ang representation natin is x and 30 minus x. Okay? So there's possibility na marami talaga confusing words kasi this algebra. Okay? Pero again, if you follow the same set of steps, wala magiging challenging. Okay? Questions? So, ayan na siya. Same set of steps. The larger number, tapos na, number 2 na tayo, which is story time. So, story time natin, we have our story time. The larger number is 12 more than 1/2 the smaller number. Medyo nagigits, for sure, medyo nag-develop na kayo. So, kahit hindi pa, process lang natin. The larger number is 12 more than 1/2 the smaller number. 1/2 the smaller number. Diba? Isang basahan, basta slow mo, i-breakdown mo, wala ka nang i-overthink. Tama na yan, whatever happens. So we have, nasa dito yung larger and smaller natin. Okay? Which one is larger? X or 30 minus X? Anong boto ninyo? Which one is larger? X or 30 minus X? Vote, which one is larger? So, the correct answer here is kahit ano. Okay? Kasi wala namang define eh. Diba? We just have larger and smaller pero wala namang sinabing specific what is larger, what is smaller except for this one. So now let's prove it for this last example. Now whatever we do, we will arrive at the same set of answers. Okay? So let's do here case 1. This is the smaller, this is the larger. Okay? And then case 2, the smaller is 30 minus x. The larger is x. Okay, prove natin. So let's do it. Okay, the larger is 12 more than 1/2 the smaller number. So let's do it. The larger is 30. Bakit ka green pa rin? The larger is 30 minus x is equal to 1/2. The smaller, which is just x. 1/2 x plus 12. Okay? Zoom in natin. So, ayan. So, okay, if guys, feeling nyo masyadong maliit yung screen or hindi ko na zoom in, zoom out, request lang kayo. Okay? So, we have 30 minus x is equal to 1/2 x plus 12. Again, may fraction. So, simplify. I-times natin lahat sa 2. Okay? If you multiply everything by 2, mawawala na yan. 2 times divided by 2 is 1. So, multiply everything by 2. So, 60 minus 2x is equal to x na lang kasi may 1/2 dito plus 24. Okay? And then 2x, lipat mo sa kabila. That is gonna be 3x. 24, lipat mo sa kabila. That is gonna be 36. Okay? And now we have x is equal to 12. Now if you solve, if the first number is 12, what is the next number? 12 minus 30 minus 12 is 18. You have the full set, 12 and 18. Okay, that's the case 1. Now let's go to the case 2. What if we switch the smaller and larger? Will we arrive at the same set of answer? Let's see. So we have it's lagging. So we have start time natin dito. The larger is 12 more than 1/2 the smaller. Okay? So anong larger natin dito? The larger here is x. The 1/2 the smaller is 30 minus x. Then plus 12. And again, may fraction na 2. So multiply everything by 2. So 2x is equal to 30 minus x plus 24. Kasi magkaiba ng equation. May 60 dito, dito wala. O di yo, lost year, mali ka na naman. Resolve lang natin siya. Okay, so we have x dito. Lipat mo sa kabila, that will be 3x. 30 plus 24 is equal to 54. And now, x is equal to 18. Ala, sir, bobo ka. Mali yung sagot mo. X is equal to 12 nga eh. But again, that is just the value of a single number. We solve for both numbers. We have, if this is x, this is 30 minus 18 is 12. Wow! Magic! Magical! Ang lupit! Diba? Even if we switch, as long as we're doing golden rule number 2, math is math, we're not violating any mathematics, we'll arrive at the same set of answers. Okay, kaya in algebra, do not overthink, just use fucking math and tatama ka sa tamang sagot. Okay, any questions? Wow, magic talaga, right? So be careful, there are problems, there is specificity kung na-represent, pero if not, kahit ano, it's actually a technique kung ano yung mas madaling i-process, yun yung gawin ng representation. Okay, like for this one, syempre, mas madaling i-1/2 si x kaysa kay 30 minus x. Sometimes, ganun siya. So, it's up to you. Sir, bakit hindi niya min-apply? Yung 2, kasi 1/2 siya eh. Diba? It says 1/2 s. Okay, so that means, ito yung smaller, diba? 30 minus x. So, 1/2 times 30 minus x. So, 2 times 1/2, 30 minus x is makancel yan. So 30 minus x na lang siya. Yes. Okay, gets Jesuar? So do we still need to rewrite that one? Now when I say multiply by 2, kailangan ko pang isa-isahin na I have x is equal to 1 half times 30 minus x plus 12. Tapos pa sinabi ko multiply by 2 is we need to rewrite pa ng isa-isa. When multiply by 2, 2x, 2 times this one, tapos 2 times that one. Okay? Try to practice then outside classes of this basic stuff. Okay, when you say distribute, multiply everything, you literally multiply everything. So 2x is equal to 2 times 1 half, cancel dyan. Kaya 30 minus x na lang siya. Then 12 times 2, that is 24. Okay? What do you mean, saan po galing yung... Oh my God. Guys, I just switched the representation, di ba? X and 30 minus x. 30 minus x and x. What do you mean saan galing yung 30 minus x? Phyto. Did we just switch the representations? Sige, questions pa? Because yeah, this is algebra. Whatever you do, as long as you do mathematics, tama naman siya. It's just the easiest one. You want to make hula-hula, why not, right? So, any more significant questions? Go, Yaniza. What if? Yes, 3x is equal to 54. So, x is equal to 18. 54 divided by 3. Yes, this is the x. 3x is equal to 54. How'd you get the 80? Do we really need to write everything step by 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 step step by step? Like 3x is equal to 54. What's the next step? Divided by 3 both sides. X is equal to 18. Okay, see? Sige, I'll try to write step by step by step by step by step. Okay, so gets na ba? How do we get x? All right, so yeah, 3x. All right, so my bad for that part. Okay, so that's it. So this is the 4 basic types of number problems. And what's the approach? Golden rule number 1, golden rule number 2. Remember the small examples. And then let x send story time. Okay? So we're gonna do maybe 3 practice quizzes. Tapos move on tayo sa next part. Let's insert this one first. And then throw it that. Yeah. So for this one, 26 is equal to twice the number increased by 5. Find the number. So surprise, surprise. So confused ba kayo? Because for our let x, actually, let me just zoom this in. And oopsie, more. And oops. Ayan. So surprise, surprise, nagulat ba kayo? Because for this problem, for the let x, there's actually just one single x. Kaya pwede yun na isa lang yung x mo sa buong buhay mo. So dito mga isa lang yung x nila. Raise hand. Sinong isa lang yung x nila? Wow. Okay, sinong wala pang x? Raise hand. Sinong wala pang x? Kawawa naman kayo. Okay, so in number problems, hindi naman dapat dalawa agad or tatlo agad. Okay, it's possible na it's a single x. This is actually a type of miscellaneous problem. Okay, so single x's, just random thoughts. Okay, ganun lang siya. Kaya nga, this is the most basic one kasi if you learn number problems, medyo madali na din yung miscellaneous problems. So for this one, 26 is equal to twice the number increased by 5. So we just let x be the number. Yay! Tapos na. We now go to number 2. What is number 2? Story time. So for our story time, 26 is equal to twice a number increased by 5. Okay? So 26, bakit red pa rin? So 26 is equal to thrice a number increased by 5. Tapos na. Alright, magically. 26 is equal to thrice a number increased by 5. Find the number. So you have, lipat mo sa kabila, that will be 26 minus 5 is equal to 3x. This minus 5 is 21 is equal to 3x. And then divided by 3 natin lahat. Minus 3 divided by 3 rather. X is equal to 7. Tapos na, okay, so 7 times 3 plus 5 is equal to, yes, 26. That's our first case. Any questions? All right, so next problem. Problem number 2. What's problem number 2? This one. Just copy, sorry. Copy, paste, and then let, and then zoom in. So for problem number 2, we have 3 less than 5 times a certain number is equal to 67 more than 1/3 of the number. Find the number. Ang daming sinabi. Tongue twister and everything. Pero we just need to break it down, yo. So number 1, 3 less than 5 times a certain number is equal to 67 more than 1/3. Oh, di ba? Isa na naman. Let x be the number. Di ba? Ganun lang naman siya eh. If isa lang yung sinasabi, this be the number. Okay? Punta na tayo sa number 2, story time. Okay, 3 less than 5 times a certain number. So we have 3 minus 5 times a certain number. So that is just 5x minus 3. Okay, is equal to 67 more than 1/3 of the number. So 67 plus 1/3 of x. As easy as that. Again, there's a fraction. Nung cut, pinaghiwalay ko pa to. What if i-simplify muna, right-hand side, versus i-multiply na lang lahat sa LCM. And justify ko na this is a bit quicker. Okay? Multiply natin lahat sa 3. So we have 5x times 3 minus 3 times 3 is equal to 67 times 3 plus 1/3 x times 3. And inisa-isa ko na. So, any questions? So now 5x times 3 is 15x. 3 minus, 15x. 3 times 3 is negative 9. 67 times 3 is 60 times 3, 180. 7 times 3 is 21. Ay, hindi mo siya kaya mental, pwede mo siyang paghiwalayin para mabilis. Plus 1/3 x times 3. Cancelled. So that is just x. The lipat-lipat, 15 minus x. 15x minus x sa kaliwa. And sa kanan, that is 180. Pwede mo na siya pagsamahin actually. 180 plus 21, that is 201 plus 9. Okay? So 201 plus 9, ito na siya. Any questions? So we have 14x is equal to 210. Then divided mo muna by 7, parehas. We have 2x is equal to 30. And then we have x is equal to 15. Alright? Tapos na. That is the answer. Any questions? Alright. Medyo easy pa, right? So, evolve tayo. Ito naman nakasolve na number 3. Okay, magkakaiba ng sagot. Ay, hindi pala. Prepares pala. Alright, so last problem, number 3. Control C. Control V. Wow, that's freaking large. So now, let's go to this one. So sige, from 0 to 10, ganun yung naka-understand yung number problem. Kaya type from 0 to 10, ganun yung naka-master yung number problem. Medyo nag-evolve. Tumantali na tayo. Alright, so let's go for this one. Kaya rin guys, when you're training with Holab po, sa start, I'm not gonna use choices. Kasi choices para sa panghuhula or educated guess. Okay, pag malapit na exam, saka ko ituturo how to use the choices properly. Tulad nung tinuro ko nung sa how to cram ACET and shit. But for now, we need to learn the long process, the long method. Yung matatalino nga, nag-aaral lang long method eh. Tapos tayong mga normal na tao lang, tinatamad, di ba? Di ba, Mardian? Okay? So, tingnan si Mardian, tahimik lang. Tingnan si Mardian, easy na sa kanya to, pero nakikinig pa rin siya ng mahinahan, di ba? Palakapan natin si Mardian. Let's give a clap react for Mardian. Okay? So yeah, let's go back to this. 3 less than 5 to a certain... Ay, mali pala yung kinapi ko. I'm sorry. Take 2. Control C, Control V, and then this one. So yeah, that's why we are training as early as November because let's be honest, maraming sabog pa talaga even with the fundamentals. Kaya you need to master them. Okay? And again, DOST is earlier ng 2 months compared sa previous batch. So, mas konti yung time ninyo na mag-review given the freaking smaller slots. Huge, fewer freaking slots. So, let's answer this one. The sum of 3 numbers is 100. Hala, sir, bakit naging 3 numbers? Nagpe-exam ka nang wala ka namang tinuro. Again, same approach. Okay? So, we have number 1, let x. Pero kaya na ba natin let x? Hindi pa. Basahin mo muna. Find the numbers if the second number is 10 more than twice the first and third. Di ba? Ang daming sinabi. Pero again, obviously, ito yung let x and then ito yung story time. Tulad sabi ko, pwede mo siya lang pagbalik na rin. If 3 numbers, kahit sabihin mo na ang sum is 100, if this is x, this is 100 minus x, paano to? Di ba kulang? Kaya again, yung second the statement, yung gagamitin natin for let x. We have 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Okay, first, second, and third. Labelan mo sila. Label matters. Okay? Find the numbers if the second number is 10 more than twice, the first and the third number is 10 less than the sum of the first two. So, ano yung huling sinabi? Ang huling sinabi is, syempre hindi dito, guys. Ang huling sinabi is the third or the sum. Pwedeng ito, pero wag yung pinakauna. Pwede yan. Okay? For this one, for the sake of simplicity, I'm gonna give you na mas magandang gamitin na ito yung X. Para at least for the first sentence is meron ka nang ma-represent. Okay? So, let this be the X. Then, basahin ulit natin. Find the numbers if the second is 10 more than twice the first. So, di ba? Since may X ka na, 10 more than twice the first. Wow, magic! Right? Now we have the third. The third is 10 less than the sum of the first two. So, kunin lang natin to. 2x plus 10 plus x. Ito yung sum nila. So, that is 3x plus 10. Kaso, yung third daw is 10 less than the sum. So, minus 10. So, that is just 3x na lang siya. So, the third one is just 3x. Ken, if di mo kayang i-mental, go. Pero kaya mo na siyang i-mental, 2x plus 3x. Bine-mental ko sobra. 2x plus x is 3x, tapos minus 10, 3x lang siya. So, representation. And now, we simply have number 2, story time. What's our story? Our story is, the sum of the 3 numbers is 100. So, we have x plus 2x plus 10 plus 3x. Ay, nawala lahat. Sorry. 2x plus 10 plus 3x is equal to 100. Wow, magic. Ganun siya dali. Now, let's simplify. Same value, same labels, 2x, 3x. 3 plus x is 4x plus 2x is 6x. Then 10, lipat mo sa kabila. That is 100 minus 10. So, 6x is equal to 90. Oh, sorry. 100 minus 10. Then 6x is equal to 90. Then x is equal to what? 15. Okay, 90 divided by 6. Then mo siya isa-isahin, 45 divided by 3. But now we have x is equal to 15. Find the numbers. So we have 15 for the first number. The third number is 45. Second number is 2x plus 10, so that is 40. So 15, 40, 45. Wow, magic. Mukhang complex bullshit. Pero yun yung gano'n nakikita solution. That's what's happening if, and only if, we can understand and process and break down algebra word problems. Any questions? Any significant, valuable, logical, and nonsensical questions? Kapos nang isa-suggest or sayang naman. So, paano naging 3x plus 10? And then parang naging 3x plus 10, we just added this. Eh, nasabi, sum of the first two. What's the first two? This one and this one. Uh, you don't know what x plus 2x is? X plus 2x is 3x and then 10. 3x plus 10. So that's this one. Just read the labels, okay? Some of the first two. Siguro hindi ka nagbabasa ng labels, Jezawar. Huwag mong madaliin, okay? Kasi just x plus 2x eh. Pero mamamali ka lang dyan. If minamadali mo, di mo siya binabasa ng maayos. Si Jeric pala yan. Okay, I'm sorry na. Yes. Alright. Any more significant questions? Sorry na, Jezawar. Parehas kasi kayong J. Okay. So if wala na, that's gonna be the final one for number problems. I'm gonna show a quiz tomorrow.